What if I told you you could run a TikTok shop account that makes money every single day? Without showing your face, without filming videos yourself, and without even being creative every day. Sounds impossible, right? But right now, people are building fully automated TikTok shop systems using AI influencers, ChatGPT scripts, and viral content formulas, and they're generating real sales while staying completely faceless. In this video, I'll break down exactly how this system works step by step, so you can understand how people are turning simple AI tools into a content machine. TikTok Shop is exploding right now. Every day, thousands of products go viral. Random items you've never seen before suddenly start making massive sales. But here's what most beginners think. I need to show my face. I need expensive equipment. I need to be a content creator. That's outdated. Today, AI tools can replace almost the entire content creation process. You don't need to be an influencer anymore. You just need a system. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Everything starts with the product. If you choose the wrong product, nothing else matters. So your first mission is simple. Go to TikTok Shop and find trending products. Look for these types. Low-cost products, $5 to $30. Problem-solving items, viral gadgets, beauty tools, kitchen hacks, fitness accessories. Why low cost? Because people don't think twice before buying them. That's called impulse buying psychology. Don't pick random products. Pick products that already have views on TikTok, engagement, likes, comments, shares, multiple creators posting about them. That means the product is already proven. You're not guessing. You're copying what works. Now this is where things get interesting. Instead of showing your face, you create an AI influencer. Tools you can use. HeyGen Synthesia DID. These tools can generate realistic talking avatars that look like real people. You can choose male or female influencer, different ages and styles, different tones, fun, serious, energetic. What this does, it removes the biggest barrier for beginners, fear of being on camera. Now your AI influencer becomes the face of your brand, and the audience doesn't even know it's AI. Now we need content. This is where ChatGPT becomes powerful. You don't write scripts manually anymore. You generate them using AI. A winning TikTok script has 3 parts. 1. Hook, first 3 seconds. Example, this gadget is going viral and people can't stop buying it. 2. Product explanation. Explain what it is, why it's useful, what problem it solves. 3. Call to action. Example, tap the link before it sells out. Write a viral TikTok script for a product that hooks attention in 3 seconds, explains benefits, and ends with a strong call to action. Now you have unlimited scripts in seconds. Now let's build the video. You don't need a camera. You combine 4 things. 1. Stock clips. Use free footage related to the product. 2. AI voiceover. Tools like ElevenLabs, Play HT. 3. AI influencer avatar, generated from HeyGen or Synthesia. 4. Captions, plus text effects. TikTok is a silent scrolling platform, so captions are very important. Add, highlight words, emojis, bold hooks. Always use trending music quietly in the background. It helps boost reach. Now here's where most people fail. They post one video and quit. But TikTok rewards consistency. Your goal, post 3 to 5 videos per day, every single day. Because TikTok is a testing platform. The more you post, the more data you collect, the more chances to go viral, the more sales opportunities. Once one video performs well, create 5-10 variations of it. Change hooks, change visuals, keep the same product. This is how accounts grow fast. You don't need creativity. You need repetition of what works. Here's what most people don't realize. TikTok Shop success is not about perfect videos. It's about speed volume testing. AI lets you remove the hardest part, creation time. So instead of spending hours per video, you can now create 10-20 videos in a single day. So let's quickly recap. Find a trending low-cost product. Create an AI influencer. Generate viral scripts using ChatGPT. Build videos with stock clips, plus AI voice, post 3 to 5 videos daily. And remember, you're not trying to be perfect. You're building a system that learns and scales. Start small, test fast, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Because this is the future of content creation.